It is June 9, 2023. I'm Todd Dunn, and today I'm aboard my Allied 36 Seaquestor. And yesterday I was here and I got the Genoa on up there. So the boat is pretty much ready to go sailing, except for one issue, and that is that my port cockpit drain seems to be plugged. Now, it wasn't plugged last season, so something must have gotten into it over the winter, or it's gotten plugged up with marine growth in the 2 weeks since the boat went in the water. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is try to open that drain up. I brought a couple of things. I brought a piece of bamboo that I'm going to run through it, and I've got an aluminum rod and also a piece of rigid plastic. So we're going to see if we can get this cockpit drain opened up. Now, it's down here. The issue with it is that inside there's a sort of cross pattern there that'll keep, definitely was something there. Oh, I think I got it. Whatever it was went down and the water went right down with it. So that may be it. I felt a little resistance, so I think it was just some leaves or something that had gotten in there. Well, that was easy. That took about 10 seconds and that's cleared out. So a nice, easy boat maintenance issue. Just had to ram down some I think maybe some leaves or something that had gotten in there over the winter. And the water level dropped right off and I don't feel anything. And I'm pretty sure I'm getting all the way down to the seacock on the inside. I'll play with it a little bit more to make sure. And but hopefully that's that. So that's where I am today on the boat. She's ready to take out. I'm thinking, based on what the weather forecast is and my wife's willingness to go, that we'll probably take the boat out for the first time this year on this coming Monday. It's Friday now, so the weekend is a little iffy with weather, and also it's going to be a bit windy on Sunday, which looks like the better day to go out. And the problem I have with that is that I don't know how much I trust my leg if conditions get a little sporty and I have to move around a lot in a heeling boat. So probably wait till Monday. And the other issue is it's still early in the season here, and I'm not sure how well staffed the marina will be on the weekend. And because I'm not very mobile right now in terms of getting on and off the boat for launching off the dock and coming back in and tying up, I'd like someone here to give me a hand just in case, because I've timed myself and I can get from the helm off the boat in about 12 seconds, which is not very fast, and the boat can blow around quite a bit in 12 seconds. Anyway, so that was just a quick update today on a very quick little maintenance issue here on board sailing vessel Seaquestor in Southwest Harbor, Maine. Thanks for watching.